Click on Start button. Type Registry Editor. Right click Run as Administrator. Now to create a backup so that you can have a restore point, click on File, click on Export, type file name, select Export Range as All, then select where you want to save the backup. Now to get it, click on Import, select the file location, you can get your restore point. Now expand HK local machine, expand software, expand policies, right click on Adobe, select on new, select key, type ccx new, right click and select new, select DWOT 32-bit, type disabled, click on exit, restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.